13056 Northeast 113th Street, Kirkland, Washington. Date's November 4th, 2022. Making this recording from a small excavation exposed section of sewer line. SDR 35 PVC opening down here on the property. Gonna pull back, looking at the city main now. I'm gonna pull back, take a look at this line. Looks like the entire line is comprised of SDR 35 PVC. Looks to be a cross bore here. This is located about 3 feet, 4.5 feet deep, kind of in a trough area. Look like a storm drain trough in front of the property. There are red markings throughout that section, almost like a potential power line bore. Tough to say. Looks like a possible connection there on the top of the pipe. Possible connection there. I'll locate this as well. And up out of the pipe, there is that section of SDR 35 PVC that I'm making the recording from. I'm going to end the video there and get a locate on that possible connection or offset.